Hey guys, this is a Burnham Series 2 boiler. The problem that I was having was the gas valve was making a loud chattering noise. And another thing that I noticed was the temperature gauge was below 40 Celsius. It was not moving at all. And from the recommendation from a friend of mine, told me to disconnect the wires, the plug there, and going back to the board, this plug here. And also I turned off the pilot valve, and I connected the wires together and the valve in the on position where it is now, and no more chattery noise. As you can see from the gauge is moving up beyond 40. So that was a pretty easy fix. I hope this video helped you guys.